taking, let's say, 10 hours today to do a market research just for this Kakkanad location or Kerala location, which can be done in 10 minutes by using the AI tools. But how effectively to use to get the right data? It can give you data, like it can dump you with a lot of data. But whether that data is going to be useful for you or not, right, that is where we will have to do some specific, we will have to use some specific techniques to extract the right set of data. That is what we are going to learn. Then comes how your AI is used in analytics, in reporting, how it can speed up the process of your analysis. And so all these analysis in your experience of 6 years, 10 years and all, you might have used Excel, you might have used PowerPoint, you might have used Tableau or Power BI or any analytics applications and all. Or you even today we are using Excel and PowerPoint. But how we can use Excel and PowerPoint in an effective way so that we don't spend hours and hours in data crunching, number crunching. Rather, we use AI effectively to get the results fast. Okay, which will shorten our analysis process, which will improve our decision making time also, the lead time also. Okay, that is what we will be doing. And then comes into a little bit of advanced topics. We, if you have heard about AI, I'm not sure if you have heard about AI agents. Have you heard about AI agents? Anyone? No. That is a bit advanced topic, but this is how it will, these AI agents is what is going to help you in all your, whichever industry you are from. Let's say from astrology, let's say from hospitality, let's say from IT or medicine. Okay, so AI agents is going to help. You can actually build your own AI agent based for your own businesses as well. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. So to start with, okay, I'm going to start with the basics. Okay, we'll go to movies. I hope everyone would have watched movies, right? So these are some mix of movies. Okay, some are from English, one is from our regional language. So you identify which movie you know from these images. Yeah, what is the movie name? Robo. This is Robo. Okay, this is actor superstar Rajinikanth. Okay, this is Robo. This movie was released in 2010. We are in 2025. Okay, this movie was released 15 years ago. Okay, this is a Tamil movie. They are showing a humanoid robo. Okay, this movie. This is actually a Malayalam movie. You don't know? Yes, you are remembering. Recollect. Yes, this was very famous because Android Gunyapan. Okay, everyone in Kerala would have watched this movie because it is a very nice movie in one sense. And usually in Kerala movies, in Malayalam movies, I have not seen much technology being used. This is purely based on technology. How a humanoid robo is interacting with humans. In fact, these two are kind of similar also. We'll come to that. So if you have you heard of this movie? If you have watched English movies, right? No. Star Wars. Have you heard of Star Wars or you have seen Star Wars? Has anyone seen Star Wars? Okay. So in Star Wars, there are two. These are two famous robots in Star Wars. Okay. And Star Wars is a movie which has been, there are multiple sequences that has happened. This movie first released in 1980s. Okay, and there was Star Wars 2, Star Wars 3. Even recently, using the latest technology, they are bringing new versions of Star Wars. But the franchise started in 1980s. Okay. So in this robot's name is 3PO in that Star Wars movie, and this is R2D2. This is a humanoid robot. It looks like a human. This is also a humanoid robot. It looks like a human and it talks like a human. This is also a humanoid robot. Looks like a human, talks like a human. This is not a humanoid robot. This is a little different. It cannot talk, but it can send transmit signals from any place to any place, from Earth to other planets also. So that these two are really famous, and all these movies are available in YouTube. Since you are learning AI, I would suggest you watch these movies also. Okay. So I'm pretty sure if you taken more time in realizing these movies, this movie might be difficult for you. Any guesses? No guesses. Okay. This is a Hollywood movie, English. Okay. This movie is called as Bicentennial Man. Bicentennial Man. Okay. This movie got released in 1999. Okay.